This is a left limit, right? We're coming at 6 from the left of 6. The left of 6 means it's smaller. X is smaller than 6. Left limit means you're arriving at 6 from this side. That means X is somewhere here. I'll show you a general way to do one-sided limits. Sometimes it's very simple. You can just look at it and tell. For example, in this case, you can see X is smaller than 6, correct? So X minus 6 will be negative, right? So denominator is negative. So it's coming to 0, but from the negative side. And numerator is 3 minus 6, which is negative 3. If you're trying to plug in, it's getting close to negative 3, right? So this is getting close to negative 3, and this is a negative quantity. It's getting close to 0, but it is a negative quantity. It's not a 0, right? It's never the same value. So if you see this becomes positive, 3 over 0, that's like the eventual form. So that is infinity, right? Positive infinity. So that's a quick way to do it. But I'm going to show you a general way to do one-sided limit. So just you put X wherever it is. It's on the left of 6, so you put it here. And let's call this difference as T. So T is some positive value, just the width of this. What's the relationship between X and 6 and T? X plus T equals 6. So what is X? 6 minus T, and T is greater than 0, right? If T is less than 0, then X will come to the right side. So we're saying T is greater than 0, so X will stay on the left. So now we replace X with 6 minus T here. So, and limit. So as X gets close to 6, what happens to T? So T is going to 0, right? As X is approaching 6, T is approaching 0. So what we did here was we did a change of variables, right? Instead of X, now I have T. And also it's no longer a one-sided limit. We just said T is greater than 0, and then this is just now a regular limit. Okay, so now let's try to handle this. So 6 minus 6 is, that cancels out. And the numerator is 3 minus 6 is negative 3 plus T. Okay, so this we can rewrite as limit T tends to 0. So negative 3 over negative T minus T over T is 1. This is just negative 1, and 3 over T, as T goes to 0, 3 over T will go to infinity. Numerator is fixed at 3, denominator is becoming smaller and smaller, so 3 over T is getting bigger and bigger, positive infinity. This is the general way, and like I said here, if you carefully inspect this, X minus 6 will always be negative because X is to the left of 6. So this is negative, and that is 3 minus close to 6 is negative 3. So negative 3 over negative. It's getting close to 0, but on the negative side. If you don't have to show your work, you could go this way. If you have to show your work, you can go this way.